Yo, what's up guys, this is artist Criz and you're watching Creations. So in this video, we're going to discuss about the basic anatomy, how we can build poses, what are fundamental steps to create poses, how to draw stick drawings and block drawings. So yeah, let's start it. For this activity, I prefer you guys to buy a mannequin. A wooden mannequin would work. You can buy this at your art shops or any online market. It is like really easily available stuff. And this will help you to learn human proportions and the working mechanism of the human body. So yeah, to learn stick drawing and block drawing, I'm taking a reference, a very basic pose, and I'll try to trace lines on body itself to just get an idea how and where the joints and lines can be drawn and how the block will be formed. So yeah, firstly I'm gonna shape the skull and followed by the marking lines in the face where the human features would locate, like eyes, nose, or mouth. And then we mark the gesture of the body. Gesture of the body, also known as line of action, which defines the action of the body or what the body tends to do or what the body is trying to do. So yeah, this is like really very important step to create any figure, and it is not necessary that body does only has one line of action. It can has more than one. And don't mix it up with like your spine or backbone. They might be same as some poses, but like not in a way. And after we done with the stick, let's try to learn more by drawing a rib cage or a hip bone, just to learn it more as a skeleton, not as stick. And after we done with it, we can move to draw a block. Yeah, steps we need to know is that we don't need to follow the curves. Instead of it, try to figure out the basic form of the body, which could be a sphere or slender. So yeah, that's where a mannequin would work. The bones would be as cylinder, and the joints will be the balls. So there are basic steps that you need to follow. As first, you can use reference and you can draw stick and block on them and to learn. And when you're comfortable and you understand the concept, you can draw by looking at more references and even by using them, even using your mannequin. Yeah, for sure. So here we have more examples that we will try to draw. So again, I'm trying to draw the skull first, try to set up the position, and later I will decide my line of action. And after marking the gesture, I will like mark its stick. Another thing that you need to know is center of gravity, CG. That helps the body to balance. In art as well, our poster look like it is balanced right. Else it will look like odd. It will look like really odd or like floating or like it will fall down. Basically not appropriate. So your body needs. If you enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed learning, if you learned something, give some thumbs up, share your thoughts, let me know what you think about it, and till then, stay creative and do creations. And this is artist Criz. Goodbye.